Tales Part 3. Wow, I never knew I had karate powers. Cutie. Sissy! It's the little brat! Get her! I lost her, sorry. Well, that's okay. Anytime she comes in, we'll dump her in too. Are you talking about my sister? Yes. No. No. Help, Charlie. No. Let her go in the hot water. Nah! Wait. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay. Drop her. Drop her in the hot water. Oh. 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 Sissy. Sissy. Sissy, are you dead? Sissy, are you dead? Oh, geez. What just happened? Come on, let's get out of here. Before they wake up, because I just knocked them out. Whoa, you have superpowers? Yeah, come on. Let's go. Okay, come on. Let's go. Home. Let's go home. Come on. Geez, Charlie, you saved my life. I never knew you were that strong. Yeah, I'm at your school. Come on, let's go sleep. One day we're in bed, because I don't want this video to take too long. Cockatoo, and it was a happy ending. The end.